So, welcome back to Bros and Turbos. I'm going to attempt today to put a clutch in this. You won't be able to see very much at the minute, but it's fairly rusty. So we're going to try to put one in, but you know, everything being rusty, we don't really know exactly what we're going to find. But we'll see what we can do. Well, we'll have a go. We'll see what happens. We'll try and show you a step-by-step sort of way of doing it. If not, if we miss a few things, if you want to ask any questions, we'll certainly advise you. Thanks for watching, tune in, and we'll see how it goes. So, what we've done so far, if you want to have a look in here, is we've moved the ECU, take the battery tray out, and basically loosened what we think we need to loosen on the top. There might be a couple of other things that we need to do, but we're not 100% sure. I think this will have to be moved down here. But so far, only snapped one bolt. So. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed, that should be hopefully the only one that we break. Thankfully it's not a very important one, so it can be missing for what we need. But yeah, we'll keep going and see what we can get.
Got the extension.
Yeah. So, what we've done so far is we've managed to melt most of the under tray off because it's pretty rusty. I turn this on, you can see what we're meaning by a little bit rusty. It's not particularly good, but this is why we're making it into just a very budget track car, not around any sort of serious tracks or anything like that, because it's just for a bit of fun for the channel. So what we've done is taken the under trays off. We're just going to take the engine mountings off here. We've got this one to do from above, and then the other ones as well. This one at the back, if you can see. So we're going to have a go at that, see if we can get them off, and then once we've got them off, we'll start to lower the engine. We've got the drive shafts to do, but we're having a bit of an issue with the wheels because the key seems to be missing. So we've I've manufactured some really rudimentary design. I just need to get the welder going, and hopefully I can maybe get that knocked off. If not, I'll have to just buy another one. Not a massive issue, but it just kind of holds us up. So, are you having fun?
Fuck off!
Well, there's the language. Language, Captain. So yeah, right, we'll get back to it and we'll keep you updated. Right, so day one. It's gonna go for more than this, I think. So far we've got everything kind of loosened, and he's off again. He's definitely had something in his sandwich, haven't you? So he's not distracted me at all. I now need a light. Let's have a look. So, as you can see, we've got most of what we need out. Oh, here we go. Most of what we want out from all the gubbins. Everything here is all loose. So we've got this engine mount here to still do, which is to loosen up and get out. Everything else is pretty much there. The only issue that we've got is the key for the wheels. So the wheel bolts, the keys are gone. So I'm I'm probably just going to have to buy another one and then just go from there. But at least it'll be a bit easier for the next time we do. Yeah, we'll see you the next time when we're actually going to get the clutch out and replaced. Hopefully it should be a bit easier. We'll go from there. What do you think?
Scrap it.
Thanks. It's always beneficial. Let's pull it to pieces and scrap it. Wow. Thanks, mate. Right, anyway, that'll be that. There he goes. So, we've got the clutch out. If you want to have a look down here, it's fairly rusty. That's just from working and getting all the bolts and everything out. There's a fair bit of rust. But no, she's out. I just need to take a few more bolts out and everything's pretty good. It was a bit more of a pain than I thought. The back engine mount had to come off. That's this thing over here. Oh, if I can reach it. So that's not too bad. Everything else was fairly straightforward. It's just figuring out where everything wants to come off. So no, only downside is I managed to drop the gearbox out, but hasn't taken any damage, thankfully. Apart from that, yeah, I think I'll get the new one in and we'll see how it goes from there. That's the inside of, you might not be able to see it very well there, but that's the inside of it. Everything seems to be pretty good. So hopefully, yeah, we'll get the new clutch in, we'll get it sorted and we'll get it tested.
I did absolutely fuck off.
So, but we work as a team here, we work as a team. So we've got a few other Honda Civic to go still. New tyres.
Yeah.
New tyres. What was the issue with that? So.
No, I need to take the spacers off, but I need to do a video for that anyway.
Yeah. So, no, grand. We'll get this sorted.
You sit
So, it's been a success. We have got a clutch in. I'll show you this old one. As you can see, it's pretty smooth, which is why it was slipping. I've had to fight the rust, but she's in. So engine mounts are on, and we're just going to assemble it. So hopefully, the next time, I'll actually have it started for you, and we'll see how this exhaust sounds. So yeah, we'll see what it goes like.
At least you got the bong, so.
Yeah, it's just those two sensors just to go in, but we'll sort that another time. But it works. Clutch is in. Everything seems to be hunky-dory, which is a bonus. Yay! It works.
Do a funky dance.
We did a thing.
Bow, 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 bow.
So no, yeah, it's all worked out pretty well. So yeah, I think we'll just keep tuned. We've got other things going on, haven't we? If you like it, you know, like and subscribe to the channel.
Before you finish what we've done on the MX-5 video, we've done a list next year. So could you put in how much this has cost? So this is ready to race now, isn't it?
This is ready to go, yeah. I mean, obviously it had brake pads and everything done before it went off the road.
So what have you done, like, to get it back?
To get it back, I mean, obviously it's just going to have to be trailered, so you know, that's
no, I mean, what money have you put in it? So, like, the exhaust, the clutch, how much did it cost you?
The exhaust, I got it on a bit of a discount, so it was only about 280 quid. The induction kit was £40, but I bought that a while ago, and the strut brace was only £30.
And the exhaust?
That was 280, I would say.
Oh, sorry, 280.
Yeah, about 280.
And the clutch?
Clutch was just over £100, and then obviously my time, the oils and everything like that. So maybe the clutch was about £150 all in plus my time.
And the car?
The car, I bought it for £400.
Cool.
Off my
So
sister. So
if I'm good, you'll see here there'll be a list of how much it's
it
costing.
might be about 800 quid or so, but you know, she's ready to go. You know, if it was to be welded, £1,000 straight away, aren't you? So, but that defeats the object of it being a budget track car. So
Yeah. So next time we're going to be seeing this will be
hopefully flying around and not into the tyre wall would be quite good.
at Teesside on the 13th.
Yeah, hopefully. So all being well, yeah. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for other things.